Tradition versus market fundamentals. Which has more influence over long term property value? A tradition or the economy? Imagine two similar homes. One sits near major new infrastructure, the other is in an area losing businesses and employment. Ghost Month begins. Does the calendar erase the first property's infrastructure advantage? Does it restore employment around the second? Of course not. Traditions may influence when people make decisions. Fundamentals influence the long term value of those decisions. Infrastructure, employment, interest rates, household income, population growth, and demand shape markets year after year. So respect cultural traditions, but study economic reality. Research neighborhood growth, understand infrastructure plans, and make long term decisions using evidence rather than temporary sentiment. Culture influences timing. Fundamentals determine long term value. Remember to follow Housing Interactive for strategic real estate intelligence.